Hey traders, Trader Mike here. I'm going to give you another technical update on the SPY, which is the spider that follows the S&P 500. Just looking at today, I will zoom in here for you real fast. And today on the daily chart, we did stay within yesterday's range, and we did have a higher low and a lower high. So we're just right in the middle of yesterday's range. We're holding above this level of support for right now. What I am looking at is 112.17 on the upside, which is the 50% retracement. If we do manage to get anywhere in that area, I do think we kind of fake out and blow through it a little bit, get some people to go long off of that 50% retracement line, thinking that we broke it on the first try. And once those people get long, I do think the market will probably turn around and reverse them, and the market will sell off here. What I am looking at today, we definitely had a lot lighter volume today than we've had on Monday, yesterday. The stochastics are still looking good. We're embedded in the overbought area here, and the longer that we can stay in this area, the more buying pressure is going to come into the market. Just because the stochastics, even though they're overbought, they can stay embedded here for as long as they want. And we did get a nice cross here. I had a request to check out the MACD, so I am going to check out the MACD and show you how I'm reading the MACD here. Recently, we'll go back to August here recently, and we had the market make nice new highs here in August. But as the market continues to make new highs here, we do see this divergence here on the MACD, as you can see this trend line here. So the MACD is actually slowly going down as we're making new highs. So some can say that's a bearish divergence here, but we are just pulling back in the MACD right now, and we might get an actual chance in the next couple days to break this downtrend line on the MACD. Although it's probably going to be pretty hard because we've already had 1, 2, and this is the third touch of that downtrend line, and we do have that 112.17 level. And if we go back out, we do have this downtrend line from 2007 above us as overhead resistance. Zooming in here on the 10-minute chart, I do want to take a look at the 10-minute chart here. And on the 10-minute chart here, today on this nice small range day, we do have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder that are formed here with a little breakout here. And notice the neckline that's in here is actually the close of yesterday on the 16th. We did break out. It's kind of tough to tell what's going to happen in the morning. Right now, what is it? I think it's 7:30 at night. We got the S&P futures up 2.75 points, and we are watching the high from the 16th at 111.69. Break above that high should continue to bring in a couple new highs, but the key here is these trend lines and these gaps that I'm watching. This trend line that goes all the way back to 103 on the SPY has been holding up recently, and once this trend line does break it, that is my key to go short in this market. And the reason why I'm going short is because of two gaps that I see here. This first gap from the 9th is actually, we have gap window support at 107.87, and we have gap fill support at 107.19. And then the other gap I'm also looking at here is from the 16th. We have gap window support at 110.32, and we also have gap fill support at 109.69. So those are the levels I am watching on the SPY here on the 10-minute chart. So I do have a little upside bias for tomorrow, but that upside bias can change as if we do end up breaking this trend line at some point tomorrow to the downside. As you know, anything in the market can change on a dime. Could be looking to go long and all of a sudden look to go short now. But this is my view of the market as of tonight. Other than that, sorry about that. I kind of got cut off there. I actually had to take a quick phone call. Actually, it was more like a 15-minute phone call. But anyways, what I've done recently is I've been dumping some of my longs into this rally, especially my longer swings here. My longer swings are about a week long, but I still probably will take 1 to 2 day trades right now. We're still in the uptrend. What did I dump today? I dumped some Cisco, and I dumped some Sohu, and that was about it. Other than that, traders, take it easy. I look forward to probably getting back to you with you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.